Okay, so we are here in the rainforest area. Not exactly in the rainforest, but it's called Junglequi Park. You can park here for $5 and you'll be able to go into a nice river. So let's actually check that out right now. And it's too hot to be walking around with this mask. And you guys probably don't hear me that well. So that's the only thing that sucks about basically coming to a vacation spot, a very hot vacation spot, under COVID-19 conditions, but listen, it is what it is. And here we are. The water is absolutely crystal clear and looks amazing. It's a very hot day, so I'm getting right in. As you can see, you can actually throw yourself like Tarzan. That is so cool. The water is absolutely gorgeous. Very, very refreshing. And see how clear it is. So now we're gonna go to the right here and we're gonna throw ourselves into the water from a little, I would say, cliff. Let's check it out. All right, here goes nothing.